Welcome back to Ramsport. In this video we are going to take a closer look at the Bentley Turbo RT. Offered for sale on behalf of our client, this lovely and rare example of the 1997 Bentley Turbo RT, presented in red pearl and complemented with cream hide and red piping, burr walnut dashboard, centre console and door cappings, and finished with red Wilton carpet and thick red lamb's wool mats. First registered and purchased on the 9th of December 1997 from Michael Powers Bentley in Leicestershire, with the original registration of R11DJL and chassis number 66310. Michael Powers Bentley's maintained and serviced the vehicle for the first 9 services before moving to Stuart Walker Motor Engineers in Berkshire, and now the vehicle is being looked after by ourselves at Ramsport. The service book has been stamped by Bentley approved specialists throughout its lifetime. It's a well-maintained example both inside and out, and recently received a full engine service and inspection at the mileage of 32,634 miles. This particular vehicle has the lowest mileage currently available on the market at 32,839 miles. The driving experience whilst inside the vehicle is refined and smooth as to be expected from a Bentley. The transmission changes are smooth and effortless, and the handling is responsive and controlled. The upholstery is comfortable, fully supported with no signs of cushion compression or fabric sag. This Turbo RT has enjoyed many luxurious miles during the present ownership and is being sold by the client due to a downsize in the collection. Included in the sale are a leather-bound Turbo R owner's handbook, an official Bentley Rolls-Royce service handbook, the Bentley trickle charger, a complete tool set and a Cheris registration. The Bentley Turbo RT was the last and most expensive of the Turbo R line. The RT came with a 400 brake horsepower, 6.75 litre V8 engine as used in the Continental T, which was boosted by a single Garrett T4 turbocharger, producing 590 foot-pounds of torque at 2,100 revs per minute. The RT uses a Zytec EMS3 engine management system developed by Formula One Racing Technology, differing from the earlier models with the monotronic system. It is visually differentiated by other Bentley Turbo R models by its sports alloy wheels, radiator mesh grille, colour-coded bumpers and bright mesh inserts. Performance was sufficient with the top speed limited to 150 miles per hour. The ultra-luxurious Turbo RT was as fast as the sporting German luxuries of the time. The vehicle's base price was £176,000, which is roughly £55,000 more than the Turbo R. The Turbo RT was produced during 1997 and 1998 only. With 252 models produced, it was essentially a run-out special. An effort from Bentley to sell the remaining Mulsanne-style bodies with lots of additional extras as standard before the introduction and the replacement of the model for the Enage. Of the 252 models built, 164 for the UK and the Northern Ireland market, and as of Q4 in 2021, only 67 of these vehicles remained taxed on the road, making this vehicle a rarity to own. The Turbo R range, introduced in 1985 in Geneva, continued the modern blower Bentley theme. It came with additional refinement to the vehicle's suspension, making it more suitable for the vehicle's increased performance. The vehicle was instrumental in the resurgence of the legendary Bentley name. It was hard to imagine that during the close of the 1970s, the Bentley name was on the verge of extinction, as it accounted for just 3% of the Rolls-Royce Motor Company production. However, this tragedy was avoided by re-establishing the company's strategy was to evoke memories of the glorious past achievements of Le Mans. When Rolls-Royce introduced their Silver Spirit, the Bentley counterpart was named Mulsanne in honour of his accomplishments at Le Mans. It was introduced at the Geneva Motor Show in 1982 and was immediately successful. It was hailed by the motoring press as the return of the blower Bentley. The R stood for road holding to set it apart from its predecessors. It initially inherited the turbocharged engine from the Mulsanne Turbo and was also sported by the returned suspension and wider tyres and alloy wheels. The R was the first Bentley to be supplied with the factory-fitted alloy wheels. The Turbo R's V8 engine was returned with fuel injection for added torque and was regarded as the first Bentley in decades deserving of the famous name. The RT was aimed at motorists who could be swayed by the Ferrari, and in particular those used to the Mercedes limousines and the BMW L models. The RT was aimed at a particular niche in the market and is unique in as much that the factory did not produce any publicity material for it. If you have any questions or wish to arrange a viewing of this vehicle, then please do not hesitate to contact us. Please be aware that viewing is strictly by appointment only. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope this vehicle finds a new home very soon. Until next time, we'll see you then.